Hi there, welcome back. We have agreed that language reflects the environment and values. In this section, we'll talk about the relationship between language and identity. The language we speak defines our world and our social, national, and ethnic identities. First, let's have a look at social identity. Language variations within cultures have an effect on how people communicate and how they categorize themselves. For example, people may use local or regional language to signify their identity as people from that region. The language or regional language we speak also influences what others think of us. The fact that someone speaks another language or speaks our language with a foreign or regional accent influences our social attitudes towards that speaker. Our language attitudes are also influenced by the situations in which the language is used. Many people speak 2 or more languages and may use these languages in different contexts and for different purposes. For example, one language in public and another at home. Next, national identity. The sense of national unity is concerned with the integrity of the national language, territory, and religion. An 18th century German philosopher Johann G. Herder claims that language expresses the inner consciousness of the nation. Nationalists defend their national language against foreign pollution in the belief that moral degeneration will follow. France has a special agency to review and approve foreign words in French to ensure the purity of French. When Ireland, Israel, and Slovenia became independent nation-states, each country asserted its own distinct national language. When the head of state visits abroad, he or she must speak his or her own language, even if he or she can speak the language of the country he or she visits. This is a manifestation of national identity and dignity, representing the exchange of one country and another. Now, let's see ethnic identity. Language is a vital aspect of any ethnic group's identity. Often, immigrant groups maintain their cultural heritage and identity by using their native language in their new cultures. Many immigrants in English-speaking countries tend to use English in formal, public settings, and their native language in informal, private environments. Many Chinese immigrants in America ask their children to study Chinese after class. My colleague's aunt is an example. She and her 2 sons have already got a U.S. green card. After studying in the United States for 3 years, she returned to China with 2 sons. When I asked her about their future plans, she said that her 2 sons planned to apply for colleges in the United States in the future. I then asked her why she came back now. She said that the younger son rarely spoke Chinese, and they came back for his Chinese learning. In addition, she was not good at English, which hindered her communication with others in the US. She found it hard to be accepted in a circle of natives, and her loneliness deepened. The real case fully demonstrates that the relationship between language and ethnic identity is inextricably linked. Different languages represent different ethnic and social groups. It is hard to communicate smoothly with people in different groups without understanding their languages and cultures.